Okay, so this is a ensemble test video. Let's see how it goes. So this is the volume of a prism. Formula is capital B times H, and this is given to you on the Regents reference sheet. So you'll never have to memorize this, but you do need to know what this capital B stands for. Capital B is different than your lowercase b. The capital B stands for the area of the base. So you have to figure out what shape the base of your three-dimensional figure is, and then find the area of that shape. And then once you have that, you can multiply it by the height of the prism. Okay? So if we're looking at these three prisms, these three shapes here, all of them are going to start off with volume equals capital B times H, because they're all prisms. Okay? So in this shape here, if I'm trying to figure out what my capital B is, it's the area of the base. So this is my base right here, and that is a rectangle, right? So my capital B is going to be the area of a rectangle. And then I need to find the height times the height of the prism. Okay, and that is my volume. So volume equals, now I know the area of a rectangle is length times width, and I need to multiply that by the height of the prism. And now I can just simply fill in the numbers based off of the diagram here. So my length and width of my rectangle are 6 and 9, and the height of the prism is that guy right there, which is my 18. And then I simply multiply those three values together to get 972. 972 centimeters cubed. Okay. I'm going to similarly do this with my next figure. So my capital B is the area of the base. So if I'm looking here, my base is a triangle. So I need the area of the triangle times the height of the prism. That is my volume. So now I know that my area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Okay, times the height of the prism. Now, you will see here that there are two heights going on. This purple height is height of the prism, as I've just said. This blue height is height of the triangle base. So there are two kind of heights going on in this picture, or in this figure. My volume equals my base and height of this blue triangle are 5 and 9. And then the height of the whole prism is that guy right there, which is 3. And then you would do the math to multiply it out. So go ahead and try that on your own. Okay, the last one is a cylinder, which is a type of prism. So volume equals, again, my capital B, in this case, is area of, well, this shape here of a cylinder is a circle for my base, times the height of the prism. Okay, and I know that my area of a circle is pi r squared times the height of the prism. Okay, and here they give me a diameter of 12, so my radius is 6. So I have pi times 6 squared times the height of my cylinder, which is 27. And again, you would do this in your calculator to get your answer. And in this case, it is asking for it in terms of pi. So just remember when you're multiplying in your calculator to exclude the pi and just do 6 squared times 27, and then you'd add the pi on to the end of your answer.